Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel A B C D E F G H. So let's go kids. This is black color marker. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter G. G is for God. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for house. Bye bye kids.